Hello everyone, this is me Debosmita Sarkar. Today I will show you how to make paper rangoli. For paper rangoli, we need two colored sheets. You can take any color, a scissor, a glue and a pen and a scale for measurements. I have made a paper rangoli earlier. We will make this pattern today. So let's begin. First we will take the red colored sheet. We will fold it into half. Now we will again fold it into half, just as I have shown. Then we will take a point and we will fold it in a triangular shape, like this. The edges will be sharp yet soft. Now we will make a circular shape design. We will make a circle with the pen for proper circular design. Now we have to cut the circular design. We have to cut it very carefully. So see, the circular design has been cut. Now we will cut small triangular designs from the edge. Just see. So we have cut it. Just see how is it looking. Now we will cut the same design in the opposite side. Before cutting the designs in the opposite side, just cut the point. Now the same design in the opposite side. So we have done cutting the opposite side. Now we will cut the circular side. The same design, the same triangular design. So our designs are done. Now we will open the folds slowly and carefully. Just be careful in this part. So this is our fold design. Now we will take this black sheet. We will again fold it into half. And then again fold it into half. So with the point we will make a triangular fold. Now we will make a circle. Just see, from here we will make a circle. Again we have to draw it with a pen so that my circle is proper. After drawing the circle we have to cut it. And after cutting it, the design of the paper will be like this. Now we will paste the red rangoli over the black paper like this. So it's done. Now we can put a diya in the center of this rangoli for decoration, just like this. I have taken a decorated diya. In the next video I will show how to decorate a diya like this. So see, it's so beautiful. You can always use it for Diwali. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe. And happy Diwali. And try to avoid burning crackers as it pollutes the air. Thank you.